So today we are going to talk about inheritance. Inheritance means like in Java it is called oops concepts. Oops concept. One of the best oops concepts is the inheritance. So in this inheritance there is a if there is a parent is there and if any child class extends from parent it is like have a rights to get any like methods or classes or any other functionalities from a parent class. So that is called inheritance. So a class is a parent class, and if any class derived from the parent class is a child class, so it can able to get all the methods and all the constructors as well, and all the methods and some properties and everything it can able to access. That is called inheritance. So inheritance concept is like we need to how the inheritance is we like different how we need to determine the inheritance. Inheritance determines suppose one class A is a parent class. This is called parent class, and the other class B is the child class. So if child extends parent, if a child extends from the parent class A, then we need to use the keyword extends. So by using this extends keyword, we are going to um, denote the inheritance concepts in Java. So, what are the various programs? Suppose class A have the properties. Class A is the properties instance variables. What are the variables in class? Um, those are instance variables and local variables, and the other one is as static variables. So the instance variable suppose in roll number and name, string name, and also string country name kind of things we have. These are all called instance variables. If you denote the method, what will return if you would like to return a name, student name, so it will return a student name. It's a string return type, and the method is string student name, and you can get it like this. And the string student name you can return uh, by using this dot whatever the student name we are going to pass, then that kind of thing. In this we need to pass our parameters in it. So these are all the method level variables. So those are not, these are the local variables. So we need to pass the string name, string student name. So this is a local variable, and this one is a local variable, and this one is the instance variable. String name. This dot st name equals to this dot st name. So here this dot name, equals to, equals means here assignment operator. So this dot name equals to the st name. So like this, we need to denote our class. Whatever the name you passed here, it will go into the student name. So by calling this method, you can get we need to create an object for the class. And if you get this reference variable, then you will get the student name here. So like this is a parent class. So the other one, when you go to the class B student, what the keyword we are going to use here, extends class, which class extends. So here you can, so here we can go what kind of, here also you can denote your own level variable like int, int roll number kind of things, and those kind of things, but you no need to differentiate. So whatever the instance variables we deferred in the parent class, we can use that. Just you can create an object for the class B, like with using the new B of new B of. So and this is the way of creating any, like with using the new means it's going to create a one object. So in this way we need to create an object, and what are the here you can get a some variable kind of b level kind, and the object name is a some x. You are giving some x. This is the object we are going to create it. So this you can call the method x dot. For the method we have student name. So you can call this name like this. So like this you can, by using this inheritance concept, we are going to create a child object and parent object, and we can extend child class from the parent class, and we can get all the properties from the parent as well from the child class. Here this one is, these are all the instance variable, and this is the local variable. So here you can give me the new, with new operator you are going to create an object, and the x dot student name. So we are going to, call the method by using an object, and the x is referring to the object like this. So like that we need to use it here. This b object is one object, and the reference variable is x. So this is the concept of inheritance. In this way, we can create the roll number and name and country. These are the reference variables, and the string st name is a, this one is a, like string is a data type, and this dot name means here. This means it refers the current class, the present superclass parent class. This refers the parents. This dot name means it refers to the parent class without confusion, and this st name is local variable, and it is going to assign with the this dot name, and class B extends class A is equals to new B. So like this, we can use the inheritance concepts in Java. So the next class we will get in detail about inheritance and everything. So hope this one will help you. Main the SOAP's concept inheritance means the parent will get all the parent will give the properties to the child, and child have a right to get all the properties and all the things from the parent. So in this way we are going to use the inheritance concept, and these are the reference variables: roll number, name, and country. So like this the inheritance concept is we are widely in Java.